The concept of blue zones has captured the attention of scientists, nutritionists, and health enthusiasts worldwide because it offers real-life evidence of how diet and lifestyle can dramatically influence longevity. These regions, Okinawa in Japan, Sardinia in Italy, Ikaria in Greece, Loma Linda in California, and Nicoya in Costa Rica, are home to some of the world's longest living populations, many of whom live active, vibrant lives well past the age of 100. What sets these communities apart is not just genetics or luck, but a combination of nutrient-dense diets, intentional lifestyle practices, and strong social connections that create an environment conducive to both lifespan and health span. By examining the eating patterns of these populations, we gain valuable insights into how dietary choices can optimize health, reduce chronic disease risk, and promote vitality across decades. One of the most striking features of the Blue Zone's diet is its emphasis on plant-based foods. Vegetables, legumes, fruits, whole grains, and nuts form the bulk of daily intake, providing a wealth of fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Okinawans, for example, consume large quantities of sweet potatoes, green leafy vegetables, and soy products like tofu and miso, which are rich in isoflavones that help maintain bone density and cardiovascular health. Sardinians favor beans, fava beans, chickpeas, and a variety of seasonal vegetables alongside whole grains like barley and wheat. These plant-based staples not only deliver essential nutrients, but also support a stable gut microbiome, which is increasingly recognized as a key player in metabolic health, immune function, and even cognitive resilience. Fiber-rich legumes and whole grains slow digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Legumes, in particular, are a cornerstone of longevity diets across multiple blue zones. Beans, lentils, and peas provide high-quality protein, slow-digesting carbohydrates, and phytonutrients that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Regular consumption of legumes has been linked to lower rates of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers, illustrating their central role in extending both lifespan and health span. The consistent inclusion of beans in meals, from Okinawan stews to Sardinian minestrone, highlights the importance of nutrient-dense, minimally processed foods as a foundation for long-term health. Another notable characteristic of Blue Zone's diets is the moderate consumption of animal-based foods. Meat is not excluded entirely, but it is eaten sparingly, often just a few times per month, and usually in small portions. Sardinians, for instance, traditionally consume goat or sheep meat, which is lean and often grass-fed, while Okinawans historically ate small amounts of fish and occasionally pork, emphasizing plant-based proteins instead. This pattern supports cardiovascular health by reducing saturated fat intake while still providing essential amino acids and micronutrients. Fish and seafood, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, also contribute to anti-inflammatory benefits, protecting heart and brain health over the long term. Blue Zone's populations also favor natural, minimally processed foods over refined grains, sugar-laden snacks, and industrial oils. Meals are prepared from scratch using fresh, local ingredients, which ensures a high nutrient density and reduces exposure to harmful additives. This approach preserves vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that protect cells from oxidative damage, improve vascular function, and support cognitive longevity. Olive oil, used extensively in Ikaria and Sardinia, exemplifies this principle. It is a healthy fat source that reduces inflammation, enhances cardiovascular resilience, and complements a variety of plant-based dishes. A key component of these longevity diets is the inclusion of antioxidant-rich foods that combat chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, both major drivers of aging and disease. Blueberries, citrus fruits, tomatoes, dark leafy greens, and herbs such as rosemary and oregano are eaten regularly, delivering polyphenol that protects cells, reduce DNA damage, and maintain metabolic balance. These compounds work synergistically with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats to create a comprehensive system of cellular protection. Over decades, the cumulative effect of these antioxidants is profound, reducing the incidence of age-related conditions such as macular degeneration, arthritis, and cognitive decline. Moderation is another consistent principle in the Blue Zone's diet. Okinawans practice hara hachibu, the habit of eating until 80% full, which helps regulate caloric intake and maintain metabolic balance. Portion control is naturally embedded in daily habits across these regions, contributing to healthy body weight, reduced insulin resistance, and lower chronic disease risk. Meals are often accompanied by social interaction, such as shared family dinners or communal gatherings, which reinforces mindful eating and strengthens social bonds, further promoting emotional and mental well-being. Beverages in blue zones are often functional as well. Green tea in Okinawa, red wine in Sardinia, and herbal teas in Ikaria provide additional antioxidants and bioactive compounds that support cardiovascular and cognitive health. These beverages complement the diet, enhancing nutrient absorption and providing protective compounds that contribute to the overall longevity effect. The combination of nutrient-dense foods, anti-inflammatory fats, and bioactive beverages creates a holistic approach that benefits multiple organ systems simultaneously. Importantly, blue zones populations rarely consume highly processed snacks, sugary drinks, or refined grains. Their diets naturally emphasize whole foods, which are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals while being low in empty calories. This simple but powerful dietary pattern reduces oxidative stress, stabilizes blood sugar, supports a healthy weight, and lowers inflammation, all of which are essential for long-term health and vitality. By focusing on foods in their natural form and prioritizing nutrient density over convenience, these populations create a protective environment against the chronic diseases that shorten life expectancy in other regions. In conclusion, the Blue Zone's diet demonstrates that longevity is not merely a matter of genetics, but is profoundly influenced by consistent dietary and lifestyle choices. By emphasizing plant-based foods, legumes, moderate animal products, healthy fats, antioxidants, and mindful eating, these populations achieve remarkable rates of healthy aging. The lessons from Okinawa, Sardinia, Ikaria, Loma Linda, and Nicoya highlight the importance of quality, moderation, and variety in the diet, showing that what we eat profoundly shapes the trajectory of our health. Incorporating principles from the blue zones, such as daily vegetables and legumes, minimal processed foods, healthy fats, and mindful eating, offers a practical and scientifically supported path to a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Far from being an abstract concept, the Blue Zone's diet provides actionable guidance for anyone seeking to maximize vitality, reduce disease risk, and enjoy the benefits of longevity in their own daily life.